Hell yeah! Man! What you doing, huh? Trying to get that there candy bar. They're my favorite. That candy bar, I felt they were candy bar. What the hell are you getting out of here? I don't know. What the hell? Goddamn, what the fuck? Broken, huh? No, man. Broken. Broken. I think it's broken.
Hey there, Vending. Need some
hell? Can you get this here Kickers bar out of this here thing?
Sure, these can be very tricky. So you want the Snickers bar, and you have to see how much it costs. It costs 65 cents.
Well, I don't have any money, see?
Well, okay, you can borrow some from me, but you'll have to repay me later.
All right.
You put the dollar in the slot, and you look to see the letter and the number. Okay, and after you press the number, what you want will fall down. You just reach your hand in.
It's right in here?
Yeah, your candy bar's in there.
Holy Jesus, I'll be damned. Snickers bar, Finn. Okay. How can I ever repay you?
Well, I'll show you.
Woo. Here you go, man. Bye, Finn. Bye, Finn. Bye, Huck.